You know Google as a search engine, correct? But do you know how many products Google has? More than 110. That's true. Here are 20 popular Google products and a brief description of their use. Google Search, a web search engine that allows users to find information on the internet. Google Maps, a mapping service that provides detailed information about locations, directions, and businesses. YouTube, a video sharing platform where users can upload, share, and view videos. Gmail, an email service that allows users to send and receive emails and organize their email inbox. Google Drive, a cloud-based storage service that allows users to store and access files and documents from anywhere. Google Chrome, a web browser that allows users to browse the internet and access web-based applications. Google Docs, a web-based word processing and document collaboration tool. Google Calendar, a web-based calendar service that allows users to schedule events, appointments, and meetings. Google Photos, a cloud-based photo and video storage service that allows users to store and access their photos and videos from anywhere. Google Play Store, a digital distribution platform for mobile apps and games. Google Assistant, a virtual assistant that allows users to interact with their devices through voice commands. Google AdSense, a program that allows website owners to monetize their website by displaying ads. Google Analytics, a web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic. Google Translate, a free service that allows users to translate text from one language to another. Google Earth, a virtual globe and map that allows users to explore the Earth, oceans, and sky in 3D. Google News, a news aggregator that organizes and presents news articles from various sources. Google Classroom, a web-based learning management system for schools and universities. Google Maps Platform, a set of tools and services for creating, managing, and using maps and location data. Google Workspace, a suite of productivity tools and services, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, and more. Google Cloud, a set of cloud computing services, including storage, databases, analytics, and machine learning. This list is not exhaustive, and there are many other Google products and services available. Pause and go through other Google products.